what's good, Torque fam? So look, I've never installed these things before, so this is a first time DIY. I'm not even gonna use YouTube for this. I'm just gonna go for it because it's plain and simple. But pretty much from my understanding, what this is used for, this is gonna raise the hood up to let some of that heat that's stuck in there get from out of there. Now yesterday I popped the hood and it was hotter than a G35, so that's what made me make this purchase. So yeah, we're gonna start this install. It's recording. Don't drop that. We're gonna take that 10 mil. Yo, how funny would it not be if my hood dropped? Like, I would laugh, but it wouldn't be that funny. Now I see why everybody be losing these 10 mils and be crying about it, because almost every part on these cars is 10 mil. That's crazy. Oh, put this down here. I'm scared, yo. Because this could go so wrong. I don't know if two people are supposed to do this, but if it's gonna go wrong, it's gonna go wrong right now. Like, real talk. Yep, I knew it. Oh no. Oh, it stayed. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. So, I guess I'm gonna put that on there this way. Oh no, that's just straightforward. Alright, cool. So they got some washers in here. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna put these on, but we're just gonna go for it because it's a DIY. Bro, I'm scared, bro. What if it just collapsed? Oh, stop playing. Come back. Oh, hold on, big fellas. Chill, don't fall, bro. Where you going? Damn. Which way should this go? I don't even care which way this goes. Oh, I don't even have the right tools for this, bro. Stop playing. Fuck it. Hey, listen, I'm gonna have her hold this up, so y'all gotta go. Let me see this. Alright, we got one side down, but I'm not gonna show y'all until we got the final product, so I can see how I successfully did it without a user's manual. I can't even find my oh no, I got it. You gotta come hold this up, because it's gonna fall. That shit hurt. Alright, man. So, we got it on. Those little pain in the necks. Make sure you have somebody doing this with you, because this is not a DIY by yourself. It's a DIY with someone else. But we're going to put this hood down and see the outcome. Oh, now I'm a ricer, huh? Oh, this rice-a-roni. Boy. Oh, this is rice-a-roni. But yeah, this allows all of the heat and such to get out of, you know, to escape the engine bay. So we are officially, hold on, why I feel like one side bigger than the other? Am I tripping? Oh nah, they the same. I don't know, bruh. I feel like it just make the hood look like it's broken. Like somebody done rammed into the front of my car. I don't know. I'm gonna clean the car up. I'm gonna see if I like it. But that's gonna complete this install. Cause I'm sweaty. It is hot. Alright, Torque fam. One of my specialties with cars is auto detailing. So we about to do a whole transformation. But we gotta first start with this engine bay. Because hold on. This is not okay. Like, how do you miss and get oil everywhere? Like, how did dude think this was okay? This ain't okay. Yeah, so we gonna get started on this. This is bad. He got gunk everywhere. He even got sand over here. So yeah, we gonna get started on this. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. Even up here, this is extremely dirty. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, Torque fan, this is what we're looking like right now. A lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. Yeah, that's Torque TV for you big fellas. No trucks. Just Big Torque and his Torque mobile, okay? That's it. I know how to use, come on man, I got products for days, man. Oh, I just tripped. But yeah, man. Time to install these parts.